Time. We're talking about cooking eggs, but in the easiest way possible, and Decor does that for us over and over again to bring us equipment that we can cook in the microwave with. And this is an absolutely fantastic microwave egg and omelet cooker that we're shopping for right now for a QVC price of $18 or 3 easy payments of $6. Really beautiful colors that match back to all of your other Decor pieces. Right up here we've got the red. Down below is your blue, green, and the gray. Now this company comes to us from Australia, giving us some really smart ways to cook our eggs in a really fun, easy peasy sort of way. So you name it, omelets, poached eggs, or frittata, and that's exactly how you're going to accomplish this with such ease. So here's what we do. If you want to make an omelet, you're literally just going to put in your ingredients, your cooked meats. Just giving that a little call out there. If you want to cook your sausage and your bacon before you put it in here, add in your eggs, your cheese, your peppers, you name it, and boop, simply put the lid right on and into the microwave. It goes within minutes. You've got these little venting holes up on top, which gives it that opportunity so it doesn't like over steam in there and make that super duper soggy. None of us want soggy omelet. No, thank you. But then, here's the cool part. Have you ever tried to make poached eggs? Many of us are saying, absolutely not. That is super duper hard and a big fail every time. Well, what you want to do is fill this up to, looking right up here, there's a line in here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little sort of water line in here. Let's see there, maybe perhaps. It's right in there if I can find that perfect glare. There we have it. There's a line in there that you're going to fill this water up to, and then you put your egg cups in. Put those eggs right inside the egg cups, and then you fill your cups with actually water with the egg. Then you put your lid back on, and right into the microwave it goes to make those perfectly poached eggs. There's a whole like pot and water and vinegar and swirling and perfectly placed eggs that you need to go through to make a perfectly poached egg. Well, so much easier to do so with this. Create those beautiful salads, that amazing eggs Benedict with ease with Decor, and you're gonna pick this up for $18, 3 easy payments of $6. No pan, no butter needed, no big ol' mess. It's just simply these fantastic pieces and that steam releasing lid, which makes everything so much easier. 4 different color options to choose from right now. This one here is your red. We also have it available down below in the blue. Here is our green, and then this one is your gray. Decor bringing us some really cool, innovative ways to cook in the microwave, and they've done it yet again for a QVC price of $18 or 3 easy payments of $6 to pick up one of the 4 colors with item K99264. Love Decor. It's so fun and simple, and simply every single piece goes right into the microwave, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Well, let's come step right over here, and I can tell you about